What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today was a day. Yesterday, we had a non-eventful day. The jobless claims came out, wanted to rough us up back to that 40102. We rejected, and goddamn it, the market never looked back. We said it yesterday, right? We said what? We said we were looking for that move back to 401, 402. Well, we got it. And then we started to sell, right? So what initially popped this up? This is what I want to discuss. And this is not a macroeconomic talk. This is just fact. Jobless numbers came in higher than expected. How did the market react to that? You would think, more people unemployed. That's not good. Well, we went up. And where did we go up to? Remember this huge level I had right here? I had it, I think it was highlighted yesterday, actually. Had it like this. I said, look at 401 to 402. That's going to be a level. Okay. It's going to be a level. So we either pop up, reject, and I want to look for the test back to the 399, 400. Okay. Or we pop down to 396, 7 and pop back up. Well, we went up first. Okay. We went up and we reacted positively because the jobless numbers was up. The Fed wants to see it up. So the investors think, okay, shit, we're lights at the end of the tunnel. Maybe they're going to, it's working. The Fed is working. They keep on raising rates, squeezing the fucking economy so tight. They're tightening, blah, 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 whatever. Well, now we have another jobs data tomorrow. So what is going to happen tomorrow, right? And we see here, let's go to this 30-minute. I mean, we went right through previous week low, and now we're flirting in what? This very interesting level down here. Okay, so the non-farm payroll comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. More than likely, if the jobs come in less, it will be seen as bullish. We might pop initially. If it comes in hot, we could go down. We will gap up or gap down. Absolutely. We will get movement like we did this morning. Probably more. Okay, and if it's a hot-ass jobs numbers and they sell it, they will sell this thing to oblivion. So my first spot, okay, that I'm going to be looking at tomorrow, okay, you can see anywhere from 86 all the way to 88. 86 to 88. Now, that's a little bit wide of a range, but you can see we bounced out of this area last time. Matter of fact, we bounced up how big? Right? We went to highs from here last time. So do you think this is going to be an important level? Absolutely. So the initial reaction, if we go down first, I want to see this 86 to 88 hold. If so, you take a long. Okay. If it doesn't, my next spot that I'd be looking at is 380 flat. Okay, 380 flat. You could look at like the top of this range where we kind of sat in for a while, which is like 384, 85. But really, I think if they sell it past 370 or 386, it's likely going to try to come down all the way to 380. Okay, but my first plan for tomorrow would be, okay, if we break down, you're going to want to look at 386 to 88, hold for a bounce. If we gap up, I'm going to look for a return to where? Hold on one sec. Let me just. Right? This 396, 98 level, you could see where we had bottomed out. Okay. And then we broke through. Obviously, we have to get past through 392 now, which was the previous week low. We are underneath the 200-day moving average on the daily as well. Okay. But I would think, right, it would be safe to say that we would want to look for a retest of this 396. Okay, 395 all the way up here to 396, because you could see right here. Okay, we have a little bit where we dropped off after we rejected down, back down at this 395 area. So 395.96, I'd be looking for a possible reject if we were to gap back up and move back up. I look for the reject. For the bounce tomorrow, I'm going to look at 386 to 388. Okay, let's really zoom out here and I'll end it here. Okay, let's take a peek. Does anything about this chart look bullish? To me, it looks like 384 to 378 is coming at some point this month. We're 10 days in, 9 days in, whatever. But it looks to me like we're going to have something like this. See how we have this long candle up here, almost candle up to the open price, and then fall down. Long candle up to the open price, and back down. Ultimately, I think we end the month sub 380. 384, 378. Then you're going to look at 360. I mean, I'm sorry, 370, 384, 378, 368, 370, call it. And then you're going to look here at 360 all the way down to new lows. Okay. What would be healthy for a pullback? Possibly down to 61.8 in the macro sense of things. We had Silvergate Bank pretty much fucking collapse today. Biden wants to come out and tax everything. Nothing's looking great. So we'll leave it up till tomorrow. How did the job numbers come out? Two scenarios. We gap up, you look to fade 95.96, 395.96. If we gap down, you want to look to long 388, 386 to 88. You have to be a trader. You have to know your levels. You have to wake up early, and you have to not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.